how to add a Starlock blade to your DeWalt Multi-Tool. Now this is a standard universal blade and it's super simple to add. I'm sure you already know. You press this down, slip it in the gap, make sure this is flat, and your blade's added. However, if you're someone with a toolbox full of Starlock blades, then you're going to want to add it to your DeWalt Multi-Tool. And in the box you get this section, and an Allen key or Allen wrench, whichever you want to call it. So first things first, you want to get this and to slip it over this collar. Then you want to get your Starlock blade. I'll put it down so it's easier on camera, like that. And you want to get your nut here, screw it in, finger tight at first. Then get your Allen wrench or Allen key, whichever you want to call it, tighten it down, get the angle you want, tighten it up, and there you go. That's how easy it is to add a Starlock blade to your DeWalt Oscillating Tool. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.